Electrolux dryer that has an issue. It's really noisy and noise caused by bad pulley. So on this kind of motors, pulley not comes as a separate piece, it's a part of the motor assembly. So the whole motor needs to be ordered and replaced. Okay, shortly after we receive the motor, and you can hear the noise compression between the new one and an old one. So let's install the new motor and test it. Alright, sounds good, no unusual noises. Let's see, it's spinning. And we no longer need a sticker here.